speak right now.
Jatend migao mar gedo gi dongruok mar bombe Alice Wahome wacho ni rowere ntiere migao maduong' mar gero ute manyasani mondo mi ochop lek mar bedo gi bombe mabeyo kod udi ma nengogi oyweyo. Kanowuok Kisumu nyasi mar hingo odiochieng' jiwo ber mar bombe, Alice onyiso oganda mondo mi omed rwako wach gedo mar udi ma nengogi oyweyo, kowacho ni udigo biro konyogi gi kuonde dak maler. Jalup gavana ma Kisumu Dr. Matthews Owili kod maneja mar boma ma Kisumu Abala Wanga bende ogilo siem ne jonjore makoro charita e boma ma Kisumu.
At the core of our urban development strategy is MSME's concept. Affordable housing program goes beyond just building houses. This decentralized approach of affordable housing throughout the country has spurred growth within our MSMEs, just jump-starting the sector and drawing a lot of local, regional and international attention.
Lack of housing and urban poverty is worsening. Deadly conflicts are witnessed in informal settlements, and as the residents fight for water and employment, the results are there for all of us to see. The city has 30% unemployment rate as we speak. Now this means that there is need for urgent intervention to address these challenges triggered by rapid urbanization.
Housing is a foundation of sustainable development. Its impact, everything from poverty reduction, gender equality, climate action, and it empowers you and the youth.